everybody, this time I'm going to teach you a new technique. This is called multiple triangular splitter technique. Here first we build the normal domino line. And then we again make the splitter, triangular splitter. So we are going to keep it. And after that, you carefully see, when you see this domino hitting, you see these two are going to fall down. No, there we are going to keep the domino lines. This one is going to hit these two, and these will fall and hit these two. And after we can multiply on and on. Then we again build here one. We build here one. And we can build how much ever we want. Then again we can multiply. It's very easy. So this is called the multiple triangle splitter technique. So we can build how much we want. So let's stop. Let's see. 3